Chevre, check's around, du. Benzi. Ich habe schon gehört von deinen Donuts, hunderte Mal. They look delicious, they donuts.
They are delicious. Ja, de oil met riefschein, Baruch Hashem, met riefschein van überall. Die idee dat nogmaals aan gluten-free donuts. Ja, maar niet gelast van Wasser. Baruch Hashem, de Jur, BASS, ICE, BASS, we have delicious donuts. These donuts are gluten-free.
1 cent, could I taste one?
Please.
I'm gonna taste one. Aber welche Bruch macht man auf die donuts?
Deze shahakel.
Deze is shahakel. So shahakel to lieb, so gluten-free. I think it's the first time in my life I'm tasting a gluten-free donut.
You'll be surprised. It's not going to taste so gluten-free as you think.
Let's find out. Burak Atar, I know the animal comes shahakel name to This is delicious. Ich verstehe nicht. 1 second. I have to swallow, but Benzi. Ich weiß, gluten-free is Pesach food. And it tastes Pesach food. And you come a day after Pesach, nobody could eat that.
De nacht van Pesach wacht we naar roos, matzah Pesach.
Exactly, matzah Pesach.
Yeah.
I just tasted this donut. It's probably one of the best donuts I've tasted in my life. In shahakel. It's delicious. Talk to me. Tell me more about this.
Okay, so ich habe schon gehad gesucht für die Oilem andere Zeiten, that in Tobben hat aufgegeben zu willen, also alle Menschen sind gluten-free, haben eine riesige Zibber sind gluten-free. So, Menschen sind gluten-free dürfen nicht an der Pride, sie dürfen nicht suffern, so du Hashem, get the options.
Nicht stam get the options. Delicious options.
Menschen, was kennen, wir sind nicht gluten-free. Ich habe die letzte paar Wochen geordert, jede Erev Shabbos Challes mit Babkes. Der Challes sucht, sie sitzt mir nicht auf dem Morgen so stark, und der Babke sucht the chocolate inside the Babke, and the Chaim get the chocolate. We have chocolate chip cookies.
Wow.
We had different bakeries wanted to buy off the recipe. So, Baruch Hashem, instellen Sie für die Oilem, gibt es
So these do not the donuts. Hast Babkes du auch it? Wo noch hast du? And you just moved in? You needed a bigger place. Oh, here. This is beautiful over here. What are these?
Half dozen, so let's do the Oilem. I mentioned, these donuts are not fried, they're baked. Okay, gluten-free, we bake the donuts, therefore they freeze very well. So let's use oil gekauft, Matayingo, gluten-free, gluten-free, we will around the freezer 2-3 boxes of oil and bought a lot, so we decided this year we're going to sell them in half dozen.
Wow, and each one of these half dozen, they each come with a different flavored donut. So you get from each type.
Yeah. And those
Du hast du dann Babkes. Wow.
Famous Babke. It's RTS of a coffee cake, schon doen op goed plekken te bekennen.
En du hast de Chales.
Chales, ja, goed was een oil in de Chales, because it's amoitzi, it's oat.
It's oat and it's gluten free.
This is genegen. Baruch Hashem, it's I get the crust.
It's a beautiful piece.
Inside. This is it's a real demand, and Baruch Hashem is happy to snel van oil. Ik ga zo ook in kennis bekennen.
That the most important question.
So let's start in Lakewood, and we're based in Lakewood. The Lakewood stores we had in Kosher West, in Sabin in Kosher Village, in Sabin in Nutmeg, in Sabin in Evergreen in the freezer full shelf. In Muncie haben wir uns auch in Evergreen, Route 59 in the freezer, haben uns in Sabin in Windsburg in Black and White Bakery, in Borough Park haben uns in Lechem Bakery, Lechem Sourdough, it's gratis, haben wir Lechem doen Tom's River. And Sabin is Schreiber's Bakery, Landau's Hell Shop, the Hell Shop of 13 and 48, 47. And Supreme Health carries our things, Baruch Hashem.
Oh, the orders are coming in. The orders are coming in.
And yeah, Baruch Hashem, we're happy to provide that item.
Wow.
And
so that's where you could get it. Could you get it anywhere else? Could you get it too?
Yeah. So we just launched a new website, purepastry.com. And so I'm not sure like the donuts because.
Okay, so let's see. First of all, we're called Pure Pastry. That's the name over here, and it's purepastry.com.
You can bestellen dat. You can nog gaan aangeven naar de teksten 732 Pure.
Gewaldig. Se kimt Chanukah, se kimt a Shabbos Chanukah. Stand for regular Shabbos, some dolim could get challah, babka, different types of cakes. Kimt a Chanukah dolim should stock up on the donuts. Benzi, what should I tell you? The donut is delicious, and the oilums all aran check days. Again, siyata d'shmaya, Pure Pastry.